Okay, right now I'm at a place called Central Classic Cars. Ironically, it's on Central Avenue. And they have a collection of old cars that have been refurbished, have been mint condition, have new engines, all that fun stuff. And I want you guys to check this out. Look at this. All of those classic cars. It's amazing. They have Ferraris, Porsches, you name it. I've never been a car guy, but I'm starting to become a car guy as I become older. And we're going to walk around and check out some of these cars, and it's going to be awesome. Look how awesome this is. So awesome. I could drive one of these. I think Stacy let me buy one. Someday. But we can try.
Love, it's excitement,
Mm-hmm.
it's emotion. Because why else would anybody? Why would anybody want any of these cars? Why would anybody want to spend tens of thousands of dollars or hours working at them, or putting them in the garage, or fighting their significant other for the territory of the house? You know what I mean? In this room, there are, God, 7, 8, 9, 10 different countries represented.
Mm-hmm.
Is a star in a movie to support, you know, Roger Moore
Okay.
or Audrey Hepburn and something. You see him, you know, you go into the yacht club, the French Riviera, and it's all part of it. It's all part of, and that's part of culture. That's part of what humanity is. That's part of life. You know what I mean? Passion.
Yeah.
Life. Let's go get a drink at the yacht club.
Exactly. Let's drive
with Audrey
it.
Hepburn or something.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
It'd be awesome.
That's what's exciting. Over here, it gets even. You get into the deep end of excitement and eccentricity and passion, because this is more my end. Basically, mean there aren't any in the United States, and this is the best one. Now, why does that matter? Because it's French. It's a race car. It raced off-road. It's a French rally car that blasted around Europe, through the mountains of the Alps, through the forests of Germany, you know, through the French Riviera. And there's one here. That's exciting.
Like it's a motherfucking Sunday, and you cruising down Crenshaw in a motherfucking 6-4. Come on, say that shit like you believe it, man. Like it's your words, feel this shit. Stop playing around, loosen the fuck up. There you go.
that freaking truck almost messed me up.
Oh, I hate it when that happens. Nice. Probably okay shot?
Oh yeah, it's great.
I thought that would be the right loudness.
Yeah, it's
and not
perfect.
too fast.
Yeah, it's perfect.
People go too fast.